HCTI Stock Analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video. Yes, I'm just looking and observing healthcare triangle, man. Like, it's decent $2. Just 2.5 cents. That's it. 23% increase is decent. But let's look at the broader picture. I mean, having downloaded well over 42,000 videos myself over 5 years, you bet I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially here. Here's the thing, like, I was open-minded for longs, and all that's left is just this second break, right? So if this does not happen, obviously I'm not gonna buy, obviously. So that's how this is gonna look like. Boom. All I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting, purely waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Really nothing else that I would force. I do have, you can clearly see in the analysis and trade alert section, 8 results pop up in the Discord. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.